Hello friends, it's Monish and today we are going to discuss about a very simple thing which you will be like, why are you doing this? Like it's that simple. So let's get to my favorite editor in the world. Yeah, it's VS Code. Let it load the components. I think it's loading because modules are generally represented by green color, so it's loading the modules. Yeah, so it's done. So now you see here we are just doing few pretty simple things, just like importing pandas. Like this is importing pandas, importing pandas. So this is importing. This is a data frame. Then we are. This is a reading data frame. I'll just give comments and I'll just make sure this code is available in the description. And this is some info about the data. So what is the data here? Like you will ask. So here we have a data folder which has country vaccination thing and it looks terrible. Yeah, it looks terrible. Yeah. It is. So, yeah, we are going to read this data frame and we are going to slowly, probably going to do few changes and we are going to do something great out of this data frame maybe someday in the future. So, let's discuss what we have done. So, we are importing pandas. You see my red cursor? Yeah, we are importing pandas. So, and then we are reading the like data frame like from pd.read csv and then data dot country vaccines dot CSV. Then you're trying to get some information. Like it's very tedious to count the shape, number of columns, name of the columns. Yeah, it's very tedious. So what we are going to do, we are going to just automate this. Like not automate, sorry. We're just going to print it. Like it's automated from the pandas. So we are going to print. We are using the F strings. If you don't know what are they, like just by like instead of using this thing. Like this thing can also be done in print like this. Shape of data, then get out of the brackets, then plus, which I really don't use, then df dot shape. Yeah, it's that simple. I just keep a bracket here. It will help me to segregate. Yeah, so this is a method of printing, and even this is print shape of data, then like this, leave something like this, then dot format, then you keep df dot shape. So I'll just say you like these are three different ways of doing the same thing. Shape of the data. So all these three things are going to do the same thing. Here, print the shape of the data, and output should look like this. Shape of data and some random values. Okay, so like this is the like three different ways of doing it, but F strings are reliable. Like they save you a bunch of time and characters also. And then this count of column, like number of columns, you can like simply think about it. And we are in the length of the df dot column. So df dot columns is an array like which holds the names of the columns you have in your data frame. So we're just calculating the length of it using the length function and you're printing it. And name of the columns, as I said just now, df dot columns contains the name. So now I'm going to use my shortcut keys, control enter for running the Python file in terminal. And oh, you can't concatenate str. Okay, tuple. Okay, okay. So it's taking it as tuple. So now, okay. So this thing is tuple. No, so as df.shape returns a tuple, so we can't do the addition method. I think. Yeah. So we can't do the addition method as we are adding a string type and tuple type. So we can't use the addition method. Uh, Like you understand, we can't to add two data types, of course. So this method like is going wrong here, but we can use it in some other cases. So these two methods will work fine. So you see shape of the data is coming the same way. But actually, the S string is precedent like it was succeeded from this. Like it was an update from where format was shifted to S strings, and this is how it happened. So you see shape of the data and count of the column 15. We have 15 columns, and these are the names which I'm not interested in reading, and the data type of them of objects. So this is all for the video, friends. We hope like we get around 5 likes, and if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps a ton. It motivates me to make more informative videos for you. Thank you, friends, for watching the video. Bye bye.